Hey, Tristan here. Today we're going to go over the employee activity log in RepairDesk. This is a super neat feature, not only for accountability, but also for identifying opportunities for process improvement. We'll get there by hovering over reports at the top, selecting employee reports, and then selecting employee activity log. Once we're here, immediately we see a list of items that are already relevant to my RepairDesk account. We can see when that event happened, where it happened, what employee was responsible, and what the action was. Now, the event log is the event details, and usually I can click into things like items, invoices, or purchase orders, which is neat. Now, we can curate this list by store, employee, date range, and even action. There's so many actions that you can choose to curate from. Let's say that I have one store where inventory is going missing, and I want to find out why. I know this is happening at RepairDesk store number 1. I don't know which employee is responsible. I do know that it happened this week, the last time that I noticed it. I can search by the update inventory action, and I can see that Sarah has deleted inventory from RepairDesk this week. So I can go and I can have a conversation with Sarah and I can ask her why she's deleting inventory. Let's say that I'm also noticing that the ticket workflow at this store is kind of off. Maybe we're not responding to tickets the way that we should. Employees seem confused. Let's say this has really been happening the entire month. And here I can look for tickets that were deleted. And here I can see that this month, Tristan has deleted a bunch of tickets. Maybe I go have a conversation with Tristan on why he's deleting tickets and explain to him how it's impacting our workflow. And that is employee activity logs in RepairDesk.